Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Genie 6170 is probably one of the most sought-after garage door openers on the market, and for good reason, as it offers a blend of advanced technology, robust performance, and user-friendly features that cater to a wide range of homeowners looking to upgrade their home security and convenience. This opener is designed to provide a seamless and reliable operation, ensuring that your garage door opens and closes smoothly every time, while also incorporating smart features that allow for remote access and control, making it a modern solution for your home. Number 5. Genie 7155 TKV StealthDrive Connect Smart Garage Door Opener. This garage door opener seamlessly integrates with your favorite smart home systems. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and more, making your garage a connected part of your home. Control your garage from anywhere with the Aladdin Connect app. You can easily monitor, open, and close your garage door remotely for added convenience and peace of mind. Experience quiet operation thanks to its powerful DC motor and steel-reinforced belt drive. This design is perfect for garages attached to living spaces, minimizing noise disruption. Never get locked out during a power outage. The integrated battery backup ensures your garage remains accessible at all times, even when the power is out. Installation is made simple with interactive 3D instructions available through the BLT app. Its lightweight design is optimized for residential installation. This opener is designed for most sectional garage doors up to 7 feet high and weighing up to 500 pounds. An extension kit is available for taller doors. What we like. This opener offers seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. It allows for remote monitoring and control via the Aladdin Connect app. If you're looking for a modern, connected garage experience and value convenience and security, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Genie 6170 wall-mount door opener is a game-changer for garages with low headroom. Its unique wall-mount design frees up ceiling space and eliminates the need for a traditional opener rail, making installation a breeze. The integrated battery backup ensures your garage door can still be opened and closed during power outages, providing added convenience and security. The unit comes with a smart set of features, including a built-in Wi-Fi connection that allows for smartphone control via the Genie app. This enables remote monitoring and operation of your garage door from anywhere. Number 4. Genie Chain Drive 550 Garage Door Opener 2035 TKO. Experience reliable and durable operation with this heavy-duty chain drive system. It's designed for long-lasting performance you can count on. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the easy snap 5-piece rail system that requires no extra hardware. The pre-assembled chain also means no complicated cable assembly. It works right out of the box with popular built-in car remote systems like HomeLink and Car2U. No additional bridges or repeaters are needed. This opener comes with everything you need: 2 remotes, a wireless keypad for PIN access, and a multifunction wall console for added convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with standard features like the Safety Beam reversing system, Genie Sense monitoring, and IntelliCode access security. What we like. Built for reliability and longevity, this opener features a robust chain drive system. Its simplified rail system and pre-assembled chain make installation a breeze. If you prioritize a heavy-duty, straightforward opener that's easy to set up and works with your car's built-in remote system, this is a solid option. What people say. The Genie 6170 wall-mount door opener is a game-changer for my garage. It's incredibly quiet, which is a huge plus, and the installation was surprisingly straightforward. I love the integrated LED lighting, which is bright and illuminates the entire garage. The battery backup is also a lifesaver, ensuring I can still get in and out even during a power outage. The smartphone connectivity is fantastic, allowing me to open and close the garage door remotely, and I even get notifications when it's opened or closed. The unit itself is compact and doesn't take up much space on the ceiling. I was hesitant about the wall-mount design at first, but the Genie 6170 has exceeded my expectations. The space-saving aspect is undeniable, and it operates so smoothly and quietly. The auto-close feature is convenient, and the safety sensors work flawlessly. The remote access via the app is reliable, and the ability to monitor the door's status from anywhere is a great peace of mind. The Genie 6170 is a powerful and efficient garage door opener. The wall-mount design is innovative and frees up ceiling space. The motor is strong and operates the door with ease. The LED lighting is a nice touch, and the battery backup provides added security. The smartphone integration is seamless and adds a modern convenience to my home. Number 3. Briidea Multifunctional Garage Door Opener Control Panel. Introducing the Briidea Multifunctional Garage Door Opener Control Panel. It's a simple and easy-to-operate replacement for your standard garage door control button. This control panel is compatible with LiftMaster openers featuring green, red, and purple learn buttons. Enjoy convenient operation, even in the dark. The integrated lock button prevents unauthorized operation of your portable remote control, adding an extra layer of security. Easily manage your garage light with the dedicated light button. Turn it on or off whenever you need to. It works with numerous models, including those with green, red, orange, amber, and purple learn buttons. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for you. Designed for simplicity, installation and daily use are straightforward. Enjoy a seamless upgrade to your garage door system. What we like. This control panel offers enhanced functionality beyond a standard button. It's compatible with a wide range of LiftMaster openers and includes convenient features like a lock button and light control. If you need a replacement or upgrade for your existing control panel and want added convenience and security features, this is a great fit. What people say. The Genie 6170 wall mount door opener is a great option for garages with low headroom, as it mounts directly to the wall instead of the ceiling. It operates very quietly, which is a significant advantage for attached garages where noise can be a nuisance. The unit comes with a battery backup, ensuring that the garage door can still be opened and closed during power outages. Number 2. Genie SilentMax 1000 Garage Door Opener. Experience peace and quiet with the Genie SilentMax 1000. Its ultra-quiet operation makes it perfect for homes where the garage is attached to living spaces. This opener boasts a powerful 140V DC motor. Enjoy smooth door travel thanks to its soft start and stop control. Get your garage door up and running in no time. The C-channel rail and included hardware make installation faster and simpler than ever. Built to last, it features a steel-reinforced belt drive system. This ensures strength, durability, and long-term reliability. Safety is paramount with the self-diagnostic safety beam system. Plus, IntelliCode security technology ensures only you can access your garage. This model comes with everything you need. It includes two 3-button remotes, a wall console, and a wireless keypad for your convenience. What we like. Experience near-silent garage door operation with this ultra-quiet belt drive opener. Its powerful DC motor ensures smooth starts and stops, minimizing noise disruption. If you have a garage attached to your living space and are sensitive to noise, this opener provides a peaceful environment. What people say. The Genie 6170 wall mount door opener is a game-changer for garages with limited ceiling space. Its ultra-quiet operation ensures minimal noise disturbance, making it ideal for homes with living spaces above the garage. The integrated battery backup provides reliable access even during power outages. Number 1. Genie Garage Door Opener Keypad Replacement GKR OKP-BX. Tired of searching for your garage door remote? This wireless keypad offers a simple and secure way to access your garage, eliminating the need for a traditional remote. It seamlessly integrates with a wide range of Genie and overhead door openers, including those with IntelliCode and dip switch technology. Installation is straightforward, getting you set up in minutes. Experience peace of mind with IntelliCode technology, which ensures a new code is generated with each use, preventing unauthorized access. You can even grant temporary access to visitors without compromising your main code. This keypad features an upgraded, weather-resistant design that's easy to install without messy wiring. The backlit keys make it simple to use, even in the dark. With 3 channels, you can conveniently control up to 3 compatible garage doors from a single, easy-to-use device. Everything you need is included: the keypad, batteries, mounting hardware, and a clear installation guide. Plus, our dedicated customer support is here to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. Gain keyless entry convenience with this wireless keypad. It offers secure access with IntelliCode technology and the ability to provide temporary passwords for guests. If you often find yourself without your remote or need a secure, easy way for others to access your garage, this keypad is an excellent solution. What people say. The Genie 6170 is a wall-mount garage door opener that provides a clean and modern look. It operates very quietly, making it a great option for homes where noise is a concern. The unit is compact and doesn't take up much space, which is ideal for garages with limited ceiling clearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.